Today we talk about how can you change or add your birthday on your Paidwork app. So all you have to do, so you just go above your photo profile, click on it here. When you just click on it here, then it's going to show for you list like this here. So then you click here on settings. When you just click here on settings, so then it's going to take you to this list here. So then you click here on user data here, just click on it here, then it's going to take you to this list. Then you just click here on basic information, you come to basic information, click here on this sign. So then you come here to this list and here add your birthday. So then in this list, so when you're done, just click here on save, then it's going to save with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.